what I've done is that I have worked one row with my main color where I just, do my increases at the 1, 2, 3, 4 spots, and I have knit all the way down here, and this is where my tail is. So here's the right side facing. To join this into the round, you need to flip it over so that you have the wrong side facing. And that looks kind of cool too, doesn't it? There we go. So what we'll do here is, okay, this is the wrong side row, and this is the end of our row over here. Right here is the end of our row, and over here is the beginning of our row. That's where we started. So we flipped this whole thing over. Now we're going to fold it in half along the spine, like that. Like this. You can see some of my ends that haven't been woven in yet. I wove most of them as I went, and then I forgot about a few of them. That happens. All right, so here is the last stitch of that row. And instead of turning my work and just working a wrong side row, I'm going to go over to the first stitch of the row here, and I'm going to knit that. But first, I'm going to place a marker. So there's my marker. That's going to be my marker B. And for this row, this is like we're doing the wrong side row, but we're doing it on the right side. We're working in the round right now. So instead of doing knit 3, purl to the last 3 stitches, knit 3, I'm just going to knit all of these stitches. So again, here we folded this in half. We placed a marker right there, and now you kind of have to move things around a little bit like this to get things, oops, lost my marker, to get things all set to knit that next stitch right there. All right. So that first stitch there that I just knit, that's going to be the first stitch of not our row, but the first stitch of our round. So I'm just going to knit all these around. But you don't want to watch me knit this entire row, do you? I'm a continental knitter, so I kind of pick my stitches. All right. But what I'll do, let me just get into a little bit there. So now I'm just going to knit all the way up and around to our original marker, and then I'll knit all the way down back to here. What we're going to do is knit in the round for a little while to make our cowl a little higher. And what we'll be doing is we will still do increases up here at our original marker, and we're going to do decreases down here next to the newly placed marker on subsequent rounds. And I'll be right back and show you what it looks like once I've gotten a little farther into knitting in the round.